Hey everyone, I'm Director of Engineering here at Fralock, where we lead the way in advanced material solutions. One of the areas I'd like to talk to you today about is how Fralock can help you with your design for all the different stages of manufacturing, from low volume and research and development, all the way to high volume manufacturing. Recently, we had a customer that had a product that was working well in application, but the installation time took way too long and it was not cost effective at all for them. So they approached us and we were able to come up with a solution that took their installation time from days down to hours and eventually down to minutes. And they were still able to use the same materials they had in application, so they didn't have to requalify it or anything, and it made it a very cost-effective product for them. One of our areas of expertise is helping customers like you come up with custom solutions or installation aids for your product. Let us know how we can do that for you.